Hello, good morning students. I hope you all are doing well. Students, today I am going to tell you about paper pattern for mathematics subject for unit test 1, and this is the first time where you all are going to attempt unit test 1 online. When you are going to attempt online test, you have to remember some points, okay? And today I am going to tell you those points, and those points will help you to solve your test easily. Now students, first of all, you have to know that our exam is going to start from first week of the August month. So you are having your unit test exam from 4th of August, okay? And what will be the paper pattern for the mathematics, okay? How many means that exam will be about how many marks, everything today I'm going to tell you. So let's start with the paper pattern for the unit test, online unit test, okay? So first of all, that our mathematics paper is all about 40 marks, okay? And those marks are divided into 4 sections. So section A, section B, section C and section D. You can see here that section A is about 20 marks. Now students, remember that here you are not supposed to write anything, okay? You have to solve the question on the rough page or rough book, and you have to choose the correct answer, okay? Option will be there in your test, option will be there, you have to choose the correct answer, okay? So here first question will be multiple choice question, okay? All questions are multiple choice question, but here the question is from the section A is multiple choice question, where 10 question will be there and each question for 10 marks. Then identification means of suppose properties are there, okay? So equation will be there, so you from that equation you have to find it out. Find it out means you have to choose the from the option that this which is the property for this equation, okay? So this kind of question will be there, and the each question for the 1 marks and 5 question will be there. After that, find and solving questions, short numerical based question will be there, and for example, find sum, find difference, find product. Small short numerical question will be there for 1 marks and 5 question will be there, so 5 marks. So total in section A 20 marks are there. In section B, solve and evaluate, same like a first one where you have to solve and evaluate like difference, sum, product, all this, but here the process will be longer than the previous question, okay? So and each question is about the 2 marks, 5 question will be there, and here 10 marks means the section B is about 10 marks. After that, section C is about 6 marks, where 2 questions will be there and each question for the 3 marks. So 2 into 3 total 6 marks. After that, section D is there for 4 marks. So here in exam they will ask you any one question on the value, okay? So that question will be value based question, okay? And that question is about 4 marks. So this is the paper pattern for the online unit test. So you have to remember that what kind of question will be there in your exam paper, okay? So all multiple choice questions are there. For example, now word problem is there, so problem will be there, question will be there, and options are there, okay, where answer is there. So you have to solve it and then you have to choose the correct answer for the word problem. You are not supposed to type anything over there. So this is all about the paper pattern. Now students, remember, okay, that our exam timing when our unit test will start, okay? For the mathematics you are having the time 1.5 hour, okay? So exam will start exactly 8 o'clock to 9:30 a.m, okay? So before your exam time means before 8 o'clock, 10 minutes before, you will get the link for the test, okay? So you have to click on that. After clicking, the screen will appear for the unit test, okay? After that, what you have to do is you have to fill your name, roll number and class and division, and then you have to start the test. Now remember student, this is your mathematics test where you have to solve the examples, Okay, so when you are solving the example, you need to write on that example in the rough notebook. So you have to keep your rough notebook with you when you are attempting the online exams. After that, make sure you have to keep one watch or the timer or alarm to means you have to, before the 5 minutes before of your submission, you have to remember that you will complete your test before 5 minutes of your exam timing. Okay, suppose now your exam will end 9:30. Okay, before 9:30 you have to submit your test. If after that if you'll try to submit that test, so that will not be acceptable. Okay, so make sure that you should means submit your paper before timing, and for that you have to make a means you have to keep one watch or alarm with you, so it will be easy for you to complete your paper before timing and you can submit your paper in time. Okay, after, and one more important thing, that you have to manage your time. Okay, whenever you will solve the questions, you have to see that how much timing is remaining, and according to that you have to solve the examples. Okay, and you have to attempt all questions you have to attempt. When you are going to attempt the question, now student, it is very important that you have to read the questions carefully. Don't do without solving it, don't click on the options. Okay, some students they will do that. Please don't do that. First of all, just read that question carefully and then solve it in your notebook, whatever the answer will come. Okay, and just see that in the options that option is there for that correct answer, then choose the correct answer. Okay, so this thing you have to remember. Okay, so 1.5 hour is there for your test. So what you have to do is you have to keep your book and the timer with you. Okay, so make a alarm. Okay, make a alarm for the 1.5 hour, means before the one that 9:30 your time should be finished for the एग्ज़ाम. ओके, मतलब यहाँ पे मैं कह रही हूँ कि आप जब सबमिट करोगे आपके टेस्ट, तो 5 मिनट पहले ही आपका ख़त्म हो जाना चाहिए. तो in time you have to finish your paper. Okay, read each and every question carefully. Yes, now see students, when you are going to attempt the test, numbers are there. So okay, so sometime what happen when we are attempting the online test, we are means get confused when we see the numbers. If zeros are there, कई बार बहुत सारे ज़ीरो होते हैं तो हमें समझने में बहुत डिफ़िकल्टी होती कि कितने सारे ज़ीरो है. एक भी ज़ीरो अगर कम हो गया तो हमारा कैलकुलेशन गलत हो सकता है. सो यू नीड टू सी द एग्जाम्पल. ओके, जस्ट रीड इट केयरफुली, अंडरस्टैंड इट एंड देन सॉल्व, एंड बट एवरीथिंग you have to manage. Okay, time management is very important, so manage your time according to the questions, how many number of questions are there, and for each question how much time you will require. Okay, everything you have to see. Okay, और आपको जो लिंक मिलेगी वो एग्ज़ाम के 10 मिनट्स पहले ही मिल जाएगी. अगर एग्ज़ाम की लिंक अगर ओपन भी शायद अगर ना ओपन हो तो डोंट गेट पैनिक. ओके, डोंट गेट पैनिक, you will get everything, and the respective teacher of your class, they will provide you the link for the test. Okay, so this thing you have to remember. पहले क्या करना है, that you have, when you will get the link you have to click on that. After that you have to fill your name, roll number, class, division, everything you have to fill over there. After that you have to read the questions carefully. Okay, you have to read the questions carefully. Along with that you have to keep your timer as well as rub book with you. Okay, while you are attempting the question you have to solve it in your rub book and then you have to choose the correct options. Okay, and before your timing, exam timing, you have to submit your test. Okay, when you are after clicking on the link, you will see that the screen will appear on your mobile phone. You can see here the student name is there, division is there. You have to select the correct division, and see I'm going to just show you one more slide where one example is there. Okay, this is an example of one question. Okay, now question will be there, and after that you can see below the question 4 options are there. So you have to you have to click on that, the circle. You can see यहाँ पे सर्कल दिख रहा है, तो वहाँ पे से कौन सा एक करेक्ट आंसर है, उस सर्कल को आपको क्लिक करना है. ओके, तो ये सब आपको करना है. And remember students, don't get panic, just give your 100%. And this is the first time where you all are going to attempt the online test, and I know you all are very excited for this. So remember, I hope these whatever I just discussed with you, these points will help you when you will solve the unit test paper for mathematics. Okay, so have a nice day. Okay, thank you so much.